Sorry students, the video stopped in the middle. So we're discussing about fund based accounting. Whatever funds are received by the organization or non-profit organization with specific purposes are known as specific funds, and the funds which are received without any special terms and conditions, which can be used generally for any purpose or received as donation, are known as general or capital fund. We'll see here the funds are divided into two categories. Number one is general or capital fund. It is known as either general fund or capital fund. General fund or capital fund means they are unrestricted in nature. The nature of general or capital fund is unrestricted in nature. They are transferred to the credit of income and expenditure account. Whenever you receive this type of fund, general fund or capital fund, they are transferred to the credit side of income and expenditure account. For example, general donations and all. Next are specific funds. Whenever you receive some specific funds or funds which for special purpose, for the funds which are received for some special purposes or with special terms and conditions. For example, we have received a fund of rupees 5 lakh for construction of building. So it is a specific fund as we have received it for the construction of building. Then we need to prepare a building fund account, and that will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. These specific funds are restricted in nature. Their use is restricted. We cannot use it for other purposes apart from the purpose for which it is received. As I have given you the example of building fund, if we have received a donation or fund of rupees 5 lakh for constructing a building for the non-profit organization, then that is restricted in nature. We cannot use it for some other purposes. We must use it for the construction of building. So that is restricted in nature and will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. It will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet separately as building fund. Now examples of such a specific funds are government grant, endowment fund, annuity fund, loan fund, sports fund, building fund. These are the examples of specific funds. Whenever you receive some general funds, they can be transferred to income and expenditure account. But whenever you receive some specific funds, this will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet.